Hi everyone, I'm Emily and I'm here with Amy Hart, who's going to join us because we are building her keyword seed list. We've already targeted some business and industry keywords.
Right.
We found some target audience keywords.
Right.
And now we're going to look at some competitor keywords.
Terrific.
Now, right, when we say competitor, we're not meaning people that you're directly battling against. It's also people you admire, mentors, other people in your business, right? That's what it is. Obviously, you don't want people who are looking for pizza. That's not a competitor for you.
Right.
That's what we mean here.
Got
So
it.
we're going to document this on our spreadsheet like we've been doing with all of our other keywords.
Okay.
And we're going to start with a broad industry keyword for you
Okay.
and
Perfect.
see what's ranking at the top.
Perfect.
So I'm going to pick one. How about Life Coaches Seattle area?
Sure. That sounds great.
Life Coaches Seattle area. Okay. A couple of things come up. And we're just going to click on one. We're going to click on
Okay.
somebody that's close to the top. I see this authentic path.
Yeah.
Let's figure out what that is. Okay, cool. So, somebody else in your area doing similar authentic path. That's different. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a good idea for a keyword.
Absolutely.
Let's look at what other words we find on this thing. True potency.
Change themselves. Journey to change.
Yep. Disruptions in our mind, body, and spirit. I like these. These are all great. So we're going to document all these right. We're going to put these on our spreadsheet just
Okay.
because. And the idea is not to copy your competitors' keywords, really.
Right.
But knowing them can really determine where you stand out. It's using them as like a resource, getting inspiration from them and learning how you can apply that to you specifically, right? You know, some of them are just adjectives about the people themselves, and you're the face of your business, so a lot of qualities about you would make great keywords and really make you stand out.
Terrific.
You know, another option, Amy? People that you follow, we talked about this, who are in the business, ranking at the top too. Maybe check out blog posts, you know? What are some common topics that they're writing about that are interesting to you? Things like that. What hashtags are they using?
Yeah.
Those are all other great ways to really find out what else is out there that's related to your industry that maybe you haven't really delved into yet.
Terrific. That's a great idea.
Now, the last thing that we're gonna do, now that we have this really great list, the seed list of business and industry keywords, target audience keywords, competitor keywords, that's all the heavy lifting. What we're gonna do is, I'm going to assume that you probably have some goals
I do.
set for yourself, for your business. You strike me as somebody who probably does. Well, it doesn't make sense to do all this work and have all these keywords on your site if they're not going to bring you some kind of result, if they're not aligned to what you're really trying to do, right?
Sure.
So we're gonna show you next up how to align the keywords we've discovered in the seed list to your business goals.
Perfect.
It's gonna be awesome.